Welcome back. So this is part 2 of my Honcho Wholesale unboxing. So I have the box open. Let me read off the specs. Okay, so this is a women's plus size apparel lot, primarily spring and summer, 25 units. I paid $191. So that averages out to about $7.64 a piece. Let's go. Off the top, got this still in this plastic. And it is a thin linen kind of top, 3/4 length sleeve. Okay, so I actually love tops like this because you can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with slacks, you can wear it with a skirt, and it's just something that is so breathable, something so comfortable, but yet depending on how you accessorize it, you can dress it up, dress it down. It's one of those versatile pieces. And it's really thin and lightweight. This is a size 1X by New York Collection, and the cost is $49. Next item, this is by Dollhouse, and it's a pair of shorts in the size 20, and it comes with a belt. Original price is $39. Another New York Collection. Figure out how to open it here. Okay. So it is a faux wrap dress, short sleeve. And size 1X. The original price is $70. I told you, it don't matter what kind of dress it is, their dresses cost $70. This is Style & Co. And this is a black maxi dress. Just a black, plain, short sleeve, pullover maxi dress. It goes all the way down. All the way. And it has slits on the side. So this would be something nice to wear when you, as a bathing suit coverall, walking on the beach with some slippers or flip-flops, or you can wear it when the season starts to transition. This is a size 2X, and the original price is $69.50. Have a pair of pull-on slacks in navy blue. That's the back. This is the front. Functional pocket, size 1X, and the original price is $44.50. And those pants, by the way, are short ones. And then I have a pair of black right here. Same thing, just in black. I already have one of each of these listed in my eBay store, so all I'll have to do is either increase the quantity based on the size or do a variation list, but I don't have to retake pictures. That's cool. This is cute. Okay, let me get. I gotta get it right. It's so cute that I gotta make sure this thing is right. Okay, hold on. Bam. Okay. Half button up, sleeveless brush stroke. It is a tunic. Oh my God. Is this a tunic or a dress? Is this a dress? It doesn't even say. Oh, this is cute. Because you could wear it as a dress. You could wear it as a cover, as a cover up. And wear some leggings underneath it. or slacks. It's all in whatever you want to do with it. It's that kind of piece. I love pieces like that because it's not limited. You can do whatever you want with it because of how it's designed. Like because of how it's designed here, you can wear it as a dress, or I could see people wearing like some ankle length leggings with it underneath it because it's thin, and so you don't want to, you know, show your business underneath. So if you wanted to wear something, you know, and if you're like, say if you work somewhere where you can't wear leggings, but you want to wear a pair of leggings for whatever reason, and you want to still look dressy, yeah. So here's another cheetah print, just like in the first box. Okay, with the necklace, remember, 3/4 length sleeve, and the top. And this is a size 2X. The first box was a 4X. And the price is $59.50. Okay. Got a blue and white striped shirt by New York Collection. Short sleeve or cuff sleeve. It's a size 1X. And the original price is $48. Got pair of pull-on pants or trousers, I guess you would call these. Pull-on bottom, adjustable waist. That wide leg by INC, size 2X, and the original price is $79.50. Okay, so I actually love pants like this because you can wear them anywhere. You can wear them in an office, you can wear them to a concert, you can wear them wherever. You can wear them out to eat, wherever. And they're so comfortable, they're breathable, and you could just put a top with it and some sandals and be on your way, or you can wear it with some heels. Like, you could do so much with this piece. And this is black, red, and white. This is like this. Oh, right, there we go. This is by Calvin Klein. And it's a maxi dress. So we got the floral here up top. And then I want to show you the bottom. Like that. Okay. This is size 2X. And the original price is $149.50. Where else you gonna find a Calvin Klein dress for under $8? For the original price is $149.50. That's the majority, the cost that I paid for the box, guys. So this is Style & Co. Pair of high-rise jeans, 18 wide, and the original price is $59. Okay, this is by Alfani. This is just a nice, breathable top, short sleeve, and it's in a size 1X. And the original price is $49.50. Pair of shorts by Style & Co. Blue, size 18 wide, and the original price is $52.50. These are considered chino shorts, which is real good this time of year. Dressed by Alfani. Okay. And it's almost a maxi dress. It goes all the way down to your ankles. So let me bring this way. See it. The bottom. And I'm not sure if the tie is supposed to be tied like this, or someone just was a little bored, had too much time on their hands and tied it like that, or They did it so that it wouldn't drag. So again, Alfani, size 24 wide. The original price is $99.50. Right, next is pair of shorts by Style & Co. It comes with the braided belt in navy, size 16 wide, and the original price is $52.50. So this is another New York collection piece. It looks like a navy blue maxi dress, a navy blue faux wrap dress. Okay, has the tie string here, and it comes all the way down, so it is a maxi, and it is 3/4 length sleeve, size 1X. Guess the price. Yep, $70. Actually, I think that's pretty cool, because at least you know, right? At least you know if you get a dress from them, it's going to cost $70, period. Alright, here is a pair of polka dot blue Capris by Karen Scott, size 18 wide, original price $49.50. You got button detail here on the pockets and also at the bottom. Okay, this is by INC. It's another maxi dress. Look at those colors though. Wow. You see that? Goes all the way down. Right down the middle. And this is tiger print. Okay, by INC. The size is 3X and the price is $99.50. Got another pair of short length pull-on pants in black. Okay. These are size 3X and they cost $44.50. Got another one of those tops like I had in my first box. And if you're curious to see what I got in my first box, stop this video, go watch the first video. Okay. That. It kind of reminds me of Pan Am. The color. It's a cobalt blue, size 3X, and the original price is $75.50. Pair of Capris, just plain black Capris. Now, you're probably going to see it, so Rez will point it out. These have the security tag on it. Okay? It happens, but pair of black Capris by Alfani, size 22 wide, and the original price is $69.50. This is Michael Kors dress, blue and white striped dress. So cute. It's really cute. I like how it has the different layers. This is a size 0X. And the original price is $180. Getting down to the bottom, pair of black shorts with the braided belt and a size 20 wide, and these are by Style & Co. Piece of that there. That's the back. Last item. Pair of white slacks, skinny leg by Alfani. So I have quite a few of these because I have these in the last box too. but a button rolled out. So I was trying to figure out what was it attached, but I don't see what was attached. So it must have came off of, oh, these came off of something else. Okay. And these are 24 wide, and the original price has been taken off, so these probably was returned to the store. Okay, that's it. I have 2 loose buttons here, but other than that, empty. Okay, so that was part 2, and guys, it's getting better and better as I go through. So I am excited to see what I can actually send. Off the top, I already know I cannot send in Calvin Klein, and I cannot send in my divorce because I am getting it in both those ways. But I feel as though a lot of this stuff is going to sell now because we're rolling into summer. Like, we haven't even hit the first day of summer yet. So stay tuned for part 3. Alright? And again, thumbs up this video. If I get enough thumbs up, I will do a listing video for you guys so you can see what gets sent in, what doesn't. Maybe you can pinpoint there whether you want to order a case or not. And once again, if you saw anything that you like and you're interested in checking out Honcho Wholesale, I will have the link down in the bottom in the description box. Also, I will have my coupon code that they have gifted me to give to you. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.